Hello everyone, good day to you all. And today we are starting our OneNote lessons. This is about OneNote tips and tricks. So here I'm going to show you some of the tips and tricks related to OneNote 2016 edition. My first lesson will be how to select a template. If you are a student who's attending to the lectures, or if you are a person who is going for a meeting, or if you are a project manager, whatever, so there are templates that you can use for your notes when you are capturing them. So what you have to do is go to insert. Under the insert menu you can see page template option. Click on the page templates option, and then you will see the available options pane under this pane here. So then you can select academic. So if you are a student, then you can select simple lecture notes. It will be like this, or detailed lecture notes. It will be like this. Maths and science class notes. It will be like this. So like that way you can select the template. And also, let's say it's related to business meetings or activities, then you can select the related template what you like to have. And also the planner is available, a simple to-do list, a prioritized to-do list. So like that way you can select a template based on your requirement and move forward. Alright friends, so that is how you can select a template. Rather type the things in a blank template. You can be well organized like this with pre-determined templates. Thank you for watching this. This is our first lesson on OneNote tips and tricks. Looking forward to meet you on the lesson number 2. Until that, God bless you all. Bye bye.